Hello friends, this is Bharat in front of you all. Today I have got a very interesting topic. It is, should alms be given to beggars or not? So according to me, alms should not be given to beggars, because if we will give him money, then it can be wasted or it can go away. Means if we are giving money to beggars, we are thinking that we are doing good, but what is the way to use, we don't know that in which way will he use, he can waste this money as well. So that's why we should keep a room or a house for them, or we own self should see them or serve them.
Okay, we should see them ourselves.
Yes sir, we should see them ourselves.
Okay.
Because if we will focus on them, okay, then we can see them properly and we can serve them properly. If we are giving money, then it can go wasted, it can be wasted. So that's all up from me.
Okay, that's good. Well, you spoke nice. Now let me ask you a question. There is something called religion. Okay, many people want to donate their money religiously. Okay, because they believe in religion. So their religion teaches them to help, one another, right? So if somebody donates money, if somebody does charity and helps the poor people, orphan people, or people donate money in the orphanage, then what's wrong in that? I mean, if somebody has hell lot of money, fine, and they wanna, rather than wasting their money in terms of drinking wine, playing gamble, if they use this money, if they do charity, if they use this money in donation or in helping the poor people, then what's wrong in that? That's what my question is.
So I'm not saying that they should not help. They are helping at this time as well. Now that they are taking them in a house, or means I want to say now that as you said that if a person have a lot of money,
If a person,
has a lot of money and wants to waste that, he thinks that what will I do? If it is going waste, then let it. But if we are, according to Hindu religion, there is a rule that we should help poor or beggars. So we are helping or we are giving them money, okay, or he knows as well that it is going waste, then we are not helping him. He is drinking wine and doing other useless activities. It is better than it that we are keeping them in a house and we are focusing properly on that, or we are seeing that what type of food is he eating, or if we are giving directly money, then what is it? See, he can eat another type of food, bad food, which is useless, which is not important for our body, and he will not eat the important foods for our body. So that's why we should not give directly money.
Sir, sometimes it happens many beggars need money or many beggars don't need money.
many beggars.
Many beggars don't need money because sir, before some time one beggar used to come to me and I used to give him 5 rupees every day. So one day I got to know that.
Did you really give?
Yes sir, on Mandi Chaurai sir, at Mandi Chaurai. So one of my friend told me.
Oh, one of my friends.
One of my friends told me, sir, he takes wine.
Okay.
Yes, he takes wine, and I said to him, no, he doesn't take wine. No, just sit 1 minute, and I will show you definitely.
Okay.
So when he beggar came to me, and he asked him, so did you take wine today or not? So beggar said, no, today I didn't take wine, but after some time, because today I have to go somewhere, so that's why, and I need money, 5 rupees. So at that time, sir, I thought that if I give money to beggar, sir, they waste money and they drink wine. Or because of them, because of these people, sir, we don't give money to them. The beggar who need of money in really,
Not of money. Who need money?
who need money really. So because of them people, we don't give them.
Okay. You want to say something about? Okay, not now. Mr. Dheeraj? No? Okay, then Bharat has to reply. Yes, please.
Yes, so we both are saying same thing, and it is at this time, it is right that we should not give them directly money if it is written in Hindi.
But my question to you is that, I mean, let's say if you have decided to give money to somebody, right, and your duty is to give, you have done your part. Now what does the other person do at the other end? Then, I mean, it's up to the person. So why do you calculate so much that what would he be doing with that money, right? You have not given him lakhs of rupees, thousands rupees like that. You have given him limited money, which does not make any difference in your life, or it does not harm you, okay? Because you have given the limited money to that beggar. So what do you have to lose in that case? And first of all, why do you keep a follow-up that what is the person doing? That even if he drinks wine, he, let's say, eats food, it is his money now. So how does he use the money? Your duty is to give. Or maybe there is a possibility you like calculating so much because you don't want to give. So that's why the calculation takes place. Because what would he be doing like this? If you are really generous, okay, or magnanimous, you should give the money and forget about it. Then why do you keep the follow-up? What would he be doing? Does it hurt you when you give the money? Why the hell do you keep the follow-up?
Sir, because many people are there, they are rich, or they are trading, okay, or they have time to see the condition of people, okay, or everyone knows that he is wasting money drinking wine, okay. If he has time or he has a lot of money, he wants to waste it, he wants that it should be spent, then why should not he make a house for them? If you are saying that, why should we follow them on?
Okay, then there is a possibility. Then you will say, if they give them a house, they will rent it to somebody else and get money, the rent every month. Then you will keep the follow-up on this. You will find out excuses not to give money. Why don't you become a real generous person? Like, my duty is to give them money. Now what do they do with this money after that? It's up to them. So your part is to give, right? And you have done your part. So now why do you keep the follow-up? That what would he be doing like this? Yes, you can, first of all, giving house to somebody is not that easy. Many beggars are there. Now you will be thinking, will you not be thinking, what would they be doing with the house? Are they really living in the house or not?
Okay, so as you said that,
Yes.
I will give house. I also agree with your point that it is not easy, but I will make a house in which many beggars can live together.
Okay.
So many beggar or many families can live together, or they can live happily.
Then again there is a question, is it so easy to give house to somebody? I mean, how can you arrange so much of money? Either you will give a house or not at all, or no money, right? Either a big money or not at all. So you will never give a house, I know that. Neither you will give a house nor money then, because at this time that beggar needs food, not the house. Let's say a beggar can say, I can live anywhere. A beggar can say, I can live anywhere. Living is not a problem for me. Living is not a problem for me. The problem is to eat something, because currently he or she is hungry. This is the case.
Sir, but he or she is hungry, but she doesn't know, means if any beggar is there and he or she doesn't have as much knowledge that as much a studious person has.
Okay.
So means if he is living in a house, or means in a big house where 10 or 12 family can live together, so we will serve them good food. To everyone. We will serve good food.
Is it a good idea?
Sir, yes, sir, it is a good idea. Okay, sir, according to me, it is a good idea. But I have seen many beggars, sir. If they come to you, like they want money, sir. If you want to give him money, but they will refuse. No, I don't want to give. I don't want money. Sometimes, like you can you take me something? Can you give me something like food, those things? So these are beggar. According to me, these are good beggar.
Okay, yeah, I understand that these can be good beggars,
Yes.
and they are genuine.
Yes.
But again, the question arises that how will you figure out who is genuine or who is not? Who is not? Secondly, do you really find such beggars? Let's say if you give them money and they refuse, do you really find such beggars?
Yes. I found.
How many do you find?
Sir, only 1 and 2.
Okay,
Only one and two.
right?
Sir.
So overall, what do you have to say? Should money be given to them or not?
Sir, according to me, the person who needs money, so we should give him. Yeah, the person who doesn't need money, because sir, I have seen like these people, they.
But again, the question is there: how will you figure out? How will you detect the person who needs money or who does not need money? Who is hungry? Who is not? Hunger is something that can be felt. It
Sir-
can't be told.
Yes.
It can't be seen. So
Sir-
how would you get to know whether the beggar is hungry or not? That's what is the question.
Sir, okay, sir, but we can't get to know about them. He is hungry or not. But beggar needs foods. Then food only. The beggar needs food. Then he is hungry. Definitely,
He is hungry.
he is hungry.
Not
He-
these are hungry.
Okay, sir. Sorry, sir. He is hungry.
Okay.
Or the beggar who needs money and who is begging money. So according to me, he is not hungry.
Okay.
Because he wants money. That's why, and he wants to take money.
Again, what is the surety? If somebody is asking for money, because he's asking for money, because after getting money, he will go to any dhaba, any hotel, and he or she would have food there. Because it is not easy. You also don't have that much of time that you can give food. Because first you will go to dhaba. Fine, let's say dhaba is very far. And if you, let's say, feed somebody, it will cost you more. Because everybody is not so generous like you. Let's say one person gives 1 rupee. Would you give them 50 rupees?
No, sir.
Because that food would cost a beggar 50 rupees. So I know you are not gonna give them 50 rupees. You also know that.
Yes, I.
So you will give them 5 rupees. 10 people will give them 5 rupees. So by 5 rupees, it will become 50. Then he or she will go to a dhaba and eat the food.
Okay,
Right?
sir. Okay, right,
So
sir.
why you talking about like stop practical?
Ah.
Because you are not that generous. You are not too generous
But, okay,
to
sir.
give them 50 rupees for the complete diet.
Okay, sir. According to me, there is no surety in this condition. If I give them 5 rupees and 10 people give them 5 rupees, so they will go to any dhaba, any restaurant, and they will take food. There is no surety, and after that, and they after taking money, they can go any wine shop at any wine shop.
When God gives you money, or when you pray to God for money or for wealth or for prosperity, then does God see that what are you going to do with that money?
No, sir.
Then before asking for money from the God, do you calculate? Do you see yourself
No, sir.
that how much money you waste?
So because sir, we earn and we do hard work. So after that,
That's a different case. You can earn, they don't earn. Because
Yes,
maybe
sir.
you are mentally and physically strong and they are not.
okay, sir. Because
So for them, their begging is their earning. In a different way, we can say.
okay, different. Okay, sir. But according to me, when you are begging, suppose when you are begging, so according to me, you whatever you get money. So you
Whatever
should-
the money you get.
whatever the money you get.
Yes.
So you should not waste. You should take food only. If
Okay.
you drink wine, vagara, so
So now what is the solution? Like, I mean, how would you keep an eye on them? Whether they are eating or wasting money? I mean, why you going in such a deep that, oh, they would waste money, drink wine like this? Because there is a possibility they may eat food as well. There is a possibility, just on the basis of a probability that they may waste money or they may drink wine, you just hold yourself back and you don't give money to them, right? That's the case.
Yes.
So, but there is a possibility, probability that they may eat food. I can show you many beggars, they will really be eating food. Then what would you say?
Sir.
And but if somebody had thought like you, that if I give them money, they would be wasting, drinking wine, then they would starve. They would die with hunger.
No,
They would
sir.
be starving. Because what about the real or genuine people? So should the real or genuine people not get money because of the bloody people? Because of the drunkards or the boozy? Now this is my question to you. So please,
Okay.
now this small boy is going to reply. What do you have to say on it? About your calculation before you give money.
Okay, sir. As you said,
There, Mr. Bharat, you are Bharat, right?
Yes,
There is a possibility, let's say, some people are mature, some are immature, and different people have different taste. Okay, you in your early childhood, you used to actually request your father to give you money, right? So after that, you are going to have a chocolate which is harmful for you, or anything which is detrimental for your health, right? Then did your father see that what are you going to do? But at that time you like the chocolate, right? But if your father denies for money, then do you feel bad or not?
yes, sir.
You do, right? So it's their choice altogether. I mean, because your father also didn't think at that time. So why do you think? And before asking for money from your father, you never thought of it. That what am I going to do with it? You just wanted to get money. And after that, what you do is your choice altogether.
Okay, sir, but what is bad to do the people who are free or who have a lot of money? So what is bad to do it? If like the person like them, they many are there, na, like them. So if they are doing this type of work, then what is bad in this? If the beggars are drinking, means
Look
doing
here
any
and
bad.
over there.
Doing any bad work. Okay, so if we are having our eyes on them, then what is bad in this? We are keeping them safe, or we are giving them one type of means
Why are you looking there?
we are keeping them happily, or means
Happy.
we are keeping them happy, or means we are giving them all the features. But if we are giving directly them money, then they aren't getting features, or they are only getting one type of food.
I already told you. I think you didn't listen to me, did you? You
Yes,
didn't
sir.
listen to me, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I said to you.
So
I mean,
then-
because one time food will cost them, suppose 50 rupees. You or nobody is so generous. Some people may be too generous, but all are not. So at least, that beggar cannot be dependent only on the one person. That generous person, magnanimous person who would give them 50 rupees. So what do they have to do? Actually, you just give a 1 rupee coin or 5 rupees. Just on the basis of that 1 rupee and 5 rupees, you will actually screw up his happiness. You will calculate that what is he or she going to do with that money. And suppose if you don't give money, somebody else gives the money, right? Still they can drink, then you don't mind. Let them drink then, right? But because you have given your money, so your money has gone out now, so now you will follow up. Just by giving a rupee or 5 rupees, you will get into somebody's personal life.
No, sir. I will
That's
not-
what you are doing.
No, sir. Not by 5 rupee. If any rich is there, na, then he will definitely give.
Talk about yourself, because as you told, you would give, I know, you will not give more than 1 rupee or 5 rupees, right?
Yes,
And
sir.
by any chance, if you give 10 rupees, you will feel too proud of yourself,
Yes.
isn't it?
Yes,
You will
sir.
feel too proud.
Yes, sir.
I know that. Then obviously you will follow up. Then what is he going to do? Then you will make an excuse not to give money because it hurts you when money goes out of your pocket.
Yes, sir.
This is the veracity, reality. Right? So you don't have a, we can say, big heart. You are not, the magnanimity is not there. That's why you keep an eye. If you are a real, we can say, donor, then you will not mind it. Whatever he is going to do, you will think that I have done my part. Right?
Sir, if any person is
Yes,
not give,
now the God has to keep an eye. What is he going to do? The God is looking at you.
Sir.
I mean, you gave money, your part is done.
sir, if any person is there giving high money, then he should focus on that. Or if any person giving 220, 10, then why will he keep eyes?
Okay, that's what. Okay, then it depends on the money that you give. So
Yes,
is it
sir.
appropriate? because I am giving big money, so I should keep an eye, and if I am giving that low money, then I should not. So finally, that's what I am saying. If that money makes a difference to you, don't give. If you think I have given such a big money, maybe that big money is not big for that person. 1 rupee is big for you at this time, or that 50 rupees is not big for that person. So why should that person keep an eye? Because for that particular person, that 50 rupees is equivalent to nothing, or 1 rupee. So why would he keep an eye? Again, answer my question.
Sir, he's not keeping an eye, but he's keeping them safe.
You answer now, because he's being loose.
Sir, and first of all,
He's losing confidence now.
First of all, I would like to give you answer of your first question, जो which you asked us, कि when we father give money.
When our father gave us money in
Yes,
in
sir.
childhood.
In childhood.
Yes.
Sir, suppose that my father gives me money every day. So he doesn't know what I'm doing.
Yes.
When sir, he will get to know about me कि when I give him money and he takes wine, he drinks wine. Sir, he will not give me money again after that.
Okay.
When he will get to know, definitely.
Okay, but when you get to know, okay, but what are you saying, and what are you doing is, you are saying no, we should not give money at all to the beggars, because you are stereotyping here, because they are drunkard, they are boozy, like this. There are many babas who are hypocrite, imposter.
Yes,
Right?
sir.
So should the people not go to babas? But many people go to babas.
Yes, sir.
Why? Because all the babas are not the same.
No.
All the babas are not the hypocrites. All the holy persons.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
So if 1 or 2 people, let's say they drink wine, so why should you stop giving money to all the beggars?
According
Because of some people, should all the beggars suffer?
Sir, because according to me,
Hmm.
the beggars who needs food, he will not ask like money.
Ask for money.
Ask for money. He will not ask for money. And
Again, why should he not ask for money?
because sir,
How would he
directly,
get the food?
sir, directly he will say, and I am hungry, so I want food only. So he will say definitely.
No, that's not the case. Or
Yes.
let's say he's not hungry at this time, you will get him the food. That food will be stale. At this time, he or she is not hungry. Are you getting? So what would he do with that food? Now you will say he should eat it later. Later it will be stale.
Yes.
So should the person eat the stale food, the person is gonna get money for the food next time. Or there is a possibility, even if he or she is a beggar, let's say right now they have money as well, food as well, but you never know about tomorrow. So for tomorrow and day after tomorrow, they have to save money. You never know, pandemic may take place.
Yes.
Why do you earn hell lot of money? You want to, let's say even if you get a chance to earn crores of rupees a month, would you leave it?
No, sir.
No.
No, I
So
will.
similarly, even if they have, even if they are not hungry, even if they have money, but don't they have right to think about their future? Today they may have, tomorrow they may not have. Today they may come across generous people who gave them money, but tomorrow they may not. Tomorrow, let's say they don't come across any generous person. Tomorrow, let's say they didn't get any money. So with their today's money, they will have to manage.
Okay, sir. According
Okay.
to me, the people and the babas, babas, who they don't earn. They roam only at the road.
Okay.
So in any condition, any situation comes, difficult situation comes. So sir, they get food because many police persons and many people who they give them.
Okay.
But sir, the people like us and sir, because I faced in lockdown time, and many people faced in lockdown time, sir, that people who comes in a like
The people who come.
the people who come in a like a medium quality, sir.
Mediocre families.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. They didn't get money, and they because in lockdown time everyone's shop was closed, sir. So they didn't have money, and they didn't have money. They faced many problem, and many, I think 2 and 3 year many people starved.
Starved at that time.
Starved at that time.
Okay.
But because I saw news, the people and the babas, they got food by police and by many people. They got food, but
Okay.
they didn't starve.
So they got food. You can see that when they didn't get food, you can't see that when somebody gives food to somebody, especially in India, because people show off when they give food, right? Because they don't give stealthily, right? So the giving of the food can be seen, but when they don't get food, when they are hungry, it cannot be seen. It is something only they can feel. Getting?
Yes.
So that's why they have to be protected. So whatever the number of money they get is less for them, for everybody, because people want protection for the rainy days, for the bad days, for the adversity, because that's the basic nature of a person. So they have, so they also have the basic nature like this. You have this basic nature, so do they.
So as you said that they have a big amount, they need a big amount, or if they are living in rainy days, or if any condition comes that they are on the road or rainy days are going on and it is raining there, then the
Rainy days means the bad days, not like it is raining.
So if it is also, so if we are they are walking on road, then if it is raining there, then if I have a house for them, then it is protection now for them.
Okay, if you are so generous, give them house as well.
Yes.
But why not money? Again, after getting house, they need money, they need food. I take it for granted. Yeah, house can be given to them. If you are too generous, give them car also, give them bike also. Still they need money, they need petrol, they need petrol.
So but we will.
Yes.
But we will give them a limited features na, if he is
Now
wondering-
limited features.
So-
Earlier he said a house. है ना?
Yes, sir.
He went out of the limit.
Yes, sir.
Either he would give a house. Now
Sir,
he's coming to the limitations.
Sir, if he is wandering on the roads, then it is better than wandering on the roads na, if he is living in the house, getting proper food and two
But
times
still money is needed. After getting house, does he not need money to eat the food?
So sir, we will provide him food na and clothes. We will provide him, but
All the time. House. Now he's too generous.
Yes,
House
sir.
also, then money also, then clothes also.
Sir.
Right?
But if I will not get him bike, car and many things, but I am getting him only clothes or what do I say, that food, then it is better than wandering on the roads na.
So yeah, I agree with that. But finally, yeah, it means money should be given to them.
Yes.
It means money should be given to them. How would
Sir, if-
how would he buy a house? Obviously, he can buy a house with money. So would you alone give so much of money? That is enough to get him to to get him a house or to buy a house.
No sir, I will keep a lot means many beggars in a house na.
You will keep
Like-
many,
yes,
but
sir.
but still house is one. Who will afford to that money? Now tell me, who will afford to that? You alone. Will you afford? And even after
Yes.
buying the house, what about the food that he has to have?
So that we can serve them.
Chalo, now let me come to the conclusion. Overall, what would you like to say?
I would like to say that the money also should be given to beggars by conditions.
According to conditions.
According to conditions.
First, you should see condition.
Yes sir.
Who has, let's say, person is mutilated, right? Person has no hand, leg.
Yes, sir.
So you should calculate first. So in order to get money from you, he should mutilate or amputate
No sir.
his hand, his legs. So because of the people who have the mentality like you, they have to mutilate their parts of the body. Because they know there are people like you who see the conditions, right? So they actually the deformity takes place then.
Okay sir. In last, I would like to say that money should be given to them.
At last,
Okay, sir.
are you being frustrated? Are you? No.
Okay, sir. According to me, money should be given to them because we can't get to know about them. He is hungry or not at this time. But we give only 2 and 5 rupees, so it is not big deal, and it is not a big part of life. So money should be given to them.
Okay, would you like to conclude?
Sir.
Yes.
So according to me, we should not give in the money to beggars.
Okay.
Instead of money, we should give the food
To them.
to them.
That's what you conclude.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
yes.
Not now, sir.
Not now. Okay. Okay. That was good. Healthy discussion was there about the beggars, and yeah, you spoke nicely. And different people have different thoughts and ideas about this, whether the money should be given to the beggars or not. So let me tell my viewers, what do you really think about the beggars? You can write down in the comments. And that was nice conversation here in English Mania with Deepak Jain and all my dear aspirants who are preparing for their interviews and all. So yeah, it was nice. I mean, you tried your best, and I can see a great improvement in you because you have passed a few days only. I mean, 2 or 3 months you are going to complete. So yes, I mean, your beginning is good. I mean, but I would suggest you to keep it up. Yeah, because you have to gain fluency in the language, right?
Yes,
And
sir.
you also have to work on your communication skills and debating skills. All right. So yeah, that was all. Thank you very much for your participation, and I wish you a lovely day ahead.